We are the crazy crafters of CRAFTISTIC CRAZE. Welcome to our channel. Today let's make name bands. Before you watch the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified on our future videos. Let's get started. Things you'll need are a scissor, roller, marker, lighter, letter beads, masking tape and cords of any color you desire. Today we are going to make a band with a black cord and 6 letters in it. First, tape any kind of paper onto a table. Then, using your ruler, draw a straight line. Measurements we are going to mark here are very important to make a proper band. You have to make two main measurements on the line. The first will be 7 centimeters and the second will be 15 centimeters. As I said earlier, we are taking 6 beads here today. The number of beads we take matters in the measurements of the band. If we take 6 beads, we must subtract 6 centimeters from 15. We'll get 9, we have to divide it by 2, so we'll get 4.5 centimeters. We have to mark it as shown in the video. Once we are done marking, next we have to measure the cord. First cord is 60 centimeters and the second cord is 120 centimeters. Once they are cut, double fold the 60 centimeter cord and insert the letter beads into it. Now we have to keep the cord on the line that we drew before. Then, using masking tape, you have to tape the cord at the ending point of 7 centimeters. Pull the cord slightly to straighten it and put a masking tape at 15 centimeters as well. Now we must take the 120 centimeter cord and insert it under the cord that's attached and double fold it to get the center point of it. It's time to start braiding. This is the time we get a bit confused, but with practice you will get used to it. The cord from the left and put it onto the right side from top. Now take the cord that's on the right side, bring it on top of the left cord that we already brought and put it under the attached cord and take it out from the left cord. I know it's definitely confusing, but trust me, with practice you can do this easily. The hardest part is the first knot and then you are ready to go. Once you are done with the knot, pull it hard. Keep watching the video for a clear picture on how to braid it. Once the first knot is done, take the cord from the right side and put a knot at the end, not too tight. It's just to remember that the knotted cord always Now we need to make a lock for the band. Cut a 30 cm cord and keep it ready. Now fold the band as shown and put the end of the braided band into the loop and hold it tight. While holding it, you need to put the first knot as we did at the beginning of the band. If you find it difficult, get help from another person. The first knot is complete, keep braiding around 5 or 6 times and cut off the excess part of the braided thread and burn it. Now have our customized name band. If you liked my video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified on our next video. Until then, see you next time.